Welcome to Ifá Stories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifá, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Erenmols, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifá. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifá teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. When Ọbàtálá cursed Ogún story. On this path, Ọbàtálá cursed Ogún because of the wars and witchcraft, Ogún, that he and ṢΑΝGÓ were engaging in, using Congo ritual objects, since they were in Congo territory, which bordered the Yoruba land. The Yoruba people went to complain to Ọbàtálá because due to the Ogún witchcraft, many people from their land were being killed. When ŞΑNGÓ found out, he cleverly withdrew, but Ogún continued, ignoring the warnings, so he was cursed by ΟΠΑΤÁΛΑ and ΟΣΑΝՅԻN. However, despite this curse, people kept dying, so ΟDΙ BÀRÀ had to come to arrest Ogún and everyone who was practicing Ogún. Then ﷺ came and fed Ọbàtálá peony leaves to remove the curse from his mouth. Note: the Odù Ifá priest of this Odù Ifá must not wear Congo ritual objects. Instead, he must receive ﷺ.